So this lesson is just a quick overview of the quadratic characteristics of graphs. So we have our coordinate plane, we have our y-axis, which is the vertical line, and we have our x-axis, which is our horizontal line. Now if we go ahead and we sketch the graph of a quadratic, remember it's a U-shaped graph. We want to look at those different characteristics of it. At the lowest or highest point, that turning point, that point is called our vertex. Now again, the vertex is an x, y coordinate. Now what runs through the vertex is our axis of symmetry. So remember that that's the imaginary line that we could fold the graph, and it should be identical on each side. To find our axis of symmetry, we have a formula for that. And so our formula is that x equals negative b divided by 2a. Now when we get that value, that is the x value of our vertex, so those are going to be the same. Other characteristics of our quadratic is our y-intercept. The y-intercept is the coordinate point our graph is crossing the y-axis. So on this one, we have our y-intercept right there. And then the other one that we have is our x-intercept. And the x-intercept is the coordinate point where we cross the x-axis. So we have two locations for that. So this is our x-intercept. Now with the x-intercept, we have three possible scenarios that can happen. So you want to remember that those three scenarios are that you can have two solutions. That's the example we have here. You could have one solution, that's if the graph is just touching the x-axis. And the one that's out in space would mean we have no real solution. So those are the three situations that we have. So again, the different characteristics that we have that we need to know is how to find our vertex, our axis of symmetry, our y-intercept, and our x-intercept.